Na ang ating bitter melon. Look at guys. Kailangan nang i-harvest more.
The longhouse.
The longhouse.
The longhouse.
There you go. Saturday. Mayroon na yan. Ayan. So, yan na guys ang ating harvest today. Ayan. Dumadami na ng dumadami. So, i-freezer natin. Chop natin yan guys. Tapos i-freezer natin. Now they are all chopped and put them in the quartz ziploc and ready to freeze for later use. And guys, better melon for more. Thank you guys for watching.